Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain and digital assets. Today, we're diving into how to transfer ETH from Gemini in 2025. Ethereum, or ETH, is one of the most popular cryptocurrencies out there, and Gemini is a secure platform to manage it. Whether you're moving your ETH to a personal wallet for better control or to another exchange, this step-by-step guide will have you set up in no time. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Gemini account. If you don't have one, head over to the Gemini website and create it. It's straightforward and secure. Once you're in, navigate to the Assets or Wallet section. Here, you'll see a list of your cryptocurrencies, including Ethereum. Click on ETH to select it. Next, look for the Withdraw or Send option. This is where the magic happens. You'll need the recipient's wallet address ready. Double-check it because accuracy is key to avoid any costly mistakes. Enter the amount of ETH you want to transfer, and don't forget to review the network fees. In 2025, Ethereum transactions might use advanced networks like Ethereum 2.0, so fees could be lower, but always confirm. Before you hit confirm, Gemini will likely prompt you for two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security, which is crucial in the crypto world. Once verified, review all the details one last time, then approve the transaction. You'll get a confirmation email or notification shortly after. A quick word of advice: always transfer a small test amount first if you're dealing with a new wallet to ensure everything's working smoothly. And remember, crypto transfers are irreversible, so stay vigilant against scams. There you have it. That's how you transfer ETH from Gemini in 2025. It's easier than ever with the latest updates. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.